Welcome to this demo of Adobe Aero. This is a desktop version. This is a scene basically that I created in order to celebrate winter, and it's to be used near a ice ring in my neighborhood. So here it is. Little rabbit there is waiting for me to click on it, and now it moves. While this one here, if I click on it, it brings me to a website. So these are behaviors, different behaviors that you can attach to different objects. Here I moved the scene to a park and wanted to see what else I could do with it. So you can zoom in on objects, you can zoom out. This is proximity enter behavior. So as I'm coming closer to the wolf, at 1 meter, it's gonna rear and owl. I didn't have any wolf, so I use a horse. I took the same work I had done on the desktop and created a miniature. So I resized, rescaled everything to fit on this little table. See how I'm careful not to moving the banana but not intercepting the images? Because that's the problem that happens when you move things around. It breaks this illusion of reality in a way, because it's not reacting as it should. The scale is wrong, but also you would expect a different reaction. Same thing here, same thing here. The mountains are blocking people. You'll see a skater. His head disappears behind that mountain that should be further down. I didn't really like the mountains, so I was able to switch them off in the final because on site it didn't quite look good and it wasn't registering very well. So the final was basically without the mountains, but everything else looked well anchored and things were on the floor. The squirrel were slipping away. I clicked again on my bunny there to make it move.